Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to be throwing in a new wiper control motor unit into this Chevy S10 here. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. It's going to be right here, firewall, just right up in here. So you just might have to move this AC line a little bit. Looks like you could get some room here just by popping this up, like so. And she's right there, you guys. Should be pretty easy to get to. It looks like there is some Torx bits holding in this cover. Pull off this cover, remove the electrical from it, and then pop the new one in. Okay, the two bolts right here are Torx 25. So you just want to remove those, get them off here. Once we get this cover off, we'll be able to remove the motherboard here. So I lied, there was actually an additional bolt here, and there looks like there might be a bolt here. Not sure if mine was just missing, but there's definitely more than just two. So just look for these corners as well when you take it off. So I just got this removed. I'm gonna stick in the new one here. All right, and then you just pretty much just line up everything. Slowly stick it in there. Just be mindful that it is plastic and you don't want to force it in there. Just kind of just guide it in there. And just tighten up the bolts. They just got to be snug. Put the connection back on. Let's see if this thing works now. All right, here we go. Moment of truth right here. Go ahead and turn this thing on here. Hey, look at that. Working. Put on setting 1. Yep, looks like it's working. 2, 3.